Crypto Daybook Americas, Bitcoin seen overcoming bearish futures options signals. Your day ahead look for June 23, 2025. You are viewing Crypto Daybook Americas, your morning briefing on what happened in the crypto markets overnight and what's expected during the coming day. Crypto Daybook Americas will arrive in your inbox at 7 a.m. Eastern Time to kickstart your morning with comprehensive insights. If you're not already subscribed, click here. You won't want to start your day without it. By Omkar Godbole, all times ET unless indicated otherwise. Markets are accustomed to violence in the Middle East. That at least is the conclusion you might draw from the way financial markets, especially oil, reacted to the U.S. airstrikes on Iran's nuclear sites over the weekend and the threat of Iran blocking the key Strait of Hormuz shipping route. Both Brent and WTI crude gapped higher by just 3% early Monday and have since reversed gains alongside positive moves in Bitcoin, BTC, and futures tied to the S&P 500. The dollar index is trading slightly higher and gold is nursing moderate losses. Long-term catalysts will overcome any bearish sentiment, said Valentine Fournier, an analyst at BRN. Despite short-term volatility and short-lived risk-off sentiment, long-term structural demand is growing stronger. Public entities like Texas and corporations like Metaplanet are solidifying Bitcoin's position as a strategic reserve, laying the groundwork for rebound once uncertainty fades, Fournier said in an email. We remain constructive on Bitcoin's resilience and believe Solana could outperform in a recovery. Ethereum has lost some institutional support short-term but may regain ground as volatility cools, Fournier added. Min Theodorou, co-founder at crypto exchange CoinStash, said volatility could persist during the week ahead as macro conditions and political headlines remain in the driver's seat, with all eyes fixated on the U.S.-Iran situation. Other observers pointed to Federal Reserve Chairman Jerome Powell's semi-annual monetary policy testimony to Congress, scheduled for Tuesday, and Friday's release of core PCE data as key events for the week. Theodorou said that altcoins may remain active as traders seek opportunities outside of major cap tokens, although caution is warranted given recent price instability with Doge, ADA, and SOL each posting steep double-digit losses, highlighting broad market de-risking as international conflict is set to dominate most decision-making in the near term. In other news, Tokyo-listed Metaplanet said it bought another 1,111 BTC. The cryptocurrency exchange OKX is reportedly considering an initial public offering IPO in the U.S. Grant Cardone, CEO of real estate investment firm Cardone Capital, disclosed that the company has added approximately 1,000 BTC to its balance sheet. As for the developing influence of artificial intelligence, popular AI agent AX said decentralized perpetuals-focused exchange Hyperliquid has proved DeFi can outperform during real stress, referring the risk-off over the weekend. Next crisis gonna separate the platforms that actually work from the ones propped up by VC money and empty promises, the agent said. Stay alert. The CoinDesk Policy and Regulation Conference, formerly known as State of Crypto, is a one-day boutique event held in Washington on September 10 that allows general counsels, compliance officers, and regulatory executives to meet with public officials responsible for crypto legislation and regulatory oversight. Space is limited. Use code CDB10 for 10% off your registration through July 17. By Shoria Malva. Effective June 30, the price for Galaxy will be for its Nasdaq listing denominated in US dollars rather than the Canadian dollar denominated listing on the TSX. Spot BTC ETFs. Spot ETH ETFs. Source, Farside Investors. Omkar Godbole is a co-managing editor on CoinDesk's markets team based in Mumbai, holds a master's degree in finance and a chartered market technician (CMT) member. Omkar previously worked at FX Street, writing research on currency markets and as fundamental analyst at currency and commodities desk at Mumbai-based brokerage houses. Omkar holds small amounts of Bitcoin, Ether, BitTorrent, Tron and DOT. Shoria is the co-leader of the CoinDesk tokens and data team in Asia with a focus on crypto derivatives, DeFi, market microstructure, and protocol analysis. Shoria holds over $1,000 in BTC, ETH, SOL, AVAX, Sushi, CRV, NEAR, Wi-Fi, SHB, Doge, USDT, USDC, BNB, Mana, MLN, Link, XMAR, LGO, VT, Cake, AVE, Comp, RIC, TRX, SNX, Rune, FDM, ZL, KSM, ENJ, CKB, Joe, GCHSD, Perp, Beat or FLY, OCHEM, Banana, Rome, Burger, Spirit, and ORCA. He provides over $1,000 to liquidity pools on Compound, Curve, Sushi Swap, Pancake Swap, Burger Swap, Orca, AnySwap, Spirit Swap, Rook Protocol, Yearn Finance, Synthetics, Harvest, Redacted Cartel, Olympus DAO, Rome, Trader Joe, and Sun.